Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.